And finally, I'll just walk you through saving an account history report. So I'm in the account history window down at the bottom in the terminal window. Right click, come up to all history and left click. And then again right click, come up and left click on save as report. And then I'm just going to name it by the default name in the default location. You could name it by anything you want and save it anywhere on your computer. And left click on save. And then the report will open up in your browser. So that's how you save an account history report. Please take the time to get comfortable with the trading platform. Go through each video, play, pause, and then have a practice. It is essential that you can navigate around the trading platform with ease. In a later module, we will go through chart layouts and templates in more detail.